Hello, guess what we got? We got some boxes of this beautiful Hahnemühle paper, and we've partnered with Hahnemühle, and we're gonna give 3 of them away to you. So what's brilliant about this paper is it's gorgeous. You can use it for making real quality fine art prints or prints to sell. I've used one sheet to make this for my wife, which is about 4 years late, so I'm going to be in the good books. It's my favorite paper, and I'm delighted that some of you guys are going to get a chance to print on it. Now, here's what you got to do to win this fabulous prize. Alex and I want to see your pictures. So send us a picture that you would like to see printed. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel, and Alex and I, with our taste, which is so different, are gonna look at all the photos, make a decision, discuss them on our channel, make prints for you, and our 3 favorites are gonna get sent a box of this gorgeous paper. That's it. If you wanna see the full rules, I think there's a link, I wouldn't bother, but we're super excited to partner with Hahnemühle and give away 3 boxes of this gorgeous paper. Please have your entries in by February the 15th. Super exciting. See you soon. Bye.